for another video. So if you are new in my channel, so hi, my name is Nicole. I am a skincare enthusiast. I create videos all about beauty, lifestyle, knowledge, work, and productivity. So if you are interested in one of those, please subscribe down below and hit on the notification bell for more videos like this in the future. So there you go. Without further ado, let's go ahead go with our video. So for today's video, we'll talk about glowing skin. And having a glowing skin makes your skin look healthy and fresh no matter what your age is. And syempre, glowing skin is all possible when you are using the right product. I'll be sharing the products that I've been using for 7 days. Straight 7 days lang, and I know what you're thinking. So 7 days, possible nga ba na meron na agad changes sa skin mo after just using it for a week? So this video is divided into 3 parts. So first part ng video na to is I'll be sharing the product itself, ano ba yung ingredients and benefit neto sa skin natin. Second part of this video, I'll share some clips and footages na ginagamit ko tong skincare product na to. So, ayun. By the way, this is not a first impression review. So, ginamit ko muna yung product for 7 days para talaga namang ma-share ko yung honest opinion ko. And then, maging totoo tong video na to kung ano ba yung naging changes, kung meron ba, ano yung mga improvements na nagawa niya sa balat ko. And lastly is I'll share my personal experience regarding with the product or my final verdict. So, ayan, before we start, just a disclaimer guys, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not a skin expert. So, lahat ng mga i-share ko is based on my own opinion regarding with the product that I tested. How does it changes my skin? So, ayan, it's all based on my own opinion. Okay? So, ayan guys, huwag na natin patagalin. Without further ado, let's proceed to the video. So, ayan, the product that I'm talking about is Avon's a new renewal activating serum. And then this activating serum is formulated with unique ingredient combination that works in multi-layer to help improve skin performance from inside and out. So, itong serum na to is really special because meron siyang 2 main ingredient na ginamit dito sa serum na is protein that helps you to strengthen and firm your skin. So, nag-research din ako and I found out that protein has collagen ingredient. And alam naman natin pag sinabing collagen, meron siyang anti-aging. And for the second main ingredient is niacinamide. So, niacinamide, it works at your skin surface to help skin renewal. And niacinamide, it helps you to renew your skin, reduce your fine lines, your imperfections, minimize your pores, and it also helps you to glow and whiten your skin. And ayan, alam nyo ba, to be honest, hindi naman talaga ako laging tumitingin sa mga ingredients before. Like, if may skincare ako, hindi ko natitignan yung ingredient, basta ginagamit ko lang. But right now, I'm a smarter consumer. Titignan ko if meron bang allergy sa akin, if okay ba yung product sa skin ko, if hiyang ba siya, for my skin type ba siya. And what's good thing about this serum, it's perfect for all ages and for all skin types. By the way, if you are curious, my skin type is dry to normal or dry to combination depending on the weather. This serum is for all skin types, so it doesn't matter what your skin type is. You can still use it and you can still notice the changes. So, it's also suitable for all ages, so you don't have to worry what type of skincare you could use. This serum is also clinically tested, dermatology tested, mild and gentle, and allergy tested. If you have a really sensitive skin, so this is still perfect for you to try guys, because again, this is allergy tested and mild and gentle as well. So now I'll show you what's inside of the box. Ayan, so this is how the bottle looks like. It's very classy. Actually, it looks like a glass, but a plastic glass. Ganda nung packaging niya. It's rose gold. It comes with a lid and a pump. And mapapansin nyo, is konti pa lang yung nabawas. Super tipid niya lang gamitin. This is for 30 ml and talagang masusulit mo every drop. It's much easier for you to apply your serum. And also, this is recommended to use in PM and in AM. So, actually, to be honest, mas nagagamit ko lang siya every evening. So, every bedtime na araw-araw ko siyang gamitin. But it still gives changes on my skin. It says here how to use it. Apply to a cleansed face. And once it's fully absorbed, apply your serum for optimal results. So, ayan, just apply this serum after you cleanse your face. And I'll also show how the product itself looks like. So, ayan, tatry kong mag-pump dito para makita nyo yung consistency niya. Ayan. Here's how the full pump looks like. When you rub it, and for the scent, sobrang bango niya. It's very feminine, na parang may halong floral scent. Mabango siya and hindi siya ganun katapang. So, it's mild. Lalo na if you have fragrance allergies. And super soft niya lang. And what I really love about this skincare is that it's really fast absorbing. So, hindi siya malagkit sa face. Actually, ito yung mga ayoko sa ibang serum when I feel that hindi siya mabilis ma-absorb. And then, feeling ko malagkit siya sa face, sobrang naiirita ako and I ended up washing it at the middle of the night. So, that doesn't happen on this serum. So, super fast absorbent niya. Hindi siya malagkit sa face, so you won't be uncomfortable, especially if you are sleeping with this serum. Now, before we move on to the second part of this video, is gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung skin condition ko before. Actually, hindi ganito yung skin condition ko before. Sobrang dull niya, super dry. Siguro the fact that lagi ako nagpupuyat because I'm a BPO agent. So, I'm taking calls during the night, I'm working night shift, so lagi akong exposed sa puyat. And talagang yung puyat is nakakasira siya ng skin, lalo na if you're not drinking enough water. It really affects your skin. mapapansin nyo, it has glow in my skin and I really love the result, guys.
Aside from the serum, I'm also using the new 360 Fairness Day and Night Cream. What I love about the day cream is that it also works as my sunblock since it has SPF 20++. While for the night cream, it gives me extra moisture and hydration on my skin. So after using the serum, I'm putting gentle amount of the cream. Good thing about this, it's non-sticky and it absorbs easily, giving me a softer and healthier skin.
Well, my final verdict in this product is it really helped me give my skin a glow because I had a dull skin before. Especially na-stress ako, puyat, na night shift, meron akong mga dull skin moments. So, yeah, I was insecure about that. I tried to use skincare but sobrang tinatamad ako and then I really tend to forget. But with this product, I really look forward on using skincare because this smells nice. The fragrance was good. Also 2-in-1 because before I'm using a separate serum for niacinamide and protein. But today I'm using it all in just one. So ayan, this is a really must try. So that is it for our video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, again, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment about any thoughts that you would like to share to me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye! Thank you!